Are you looking for creative ways to combine the spooky spirit of Halloween with the warmth and gratitude of Thanksgiving? What if I told you that you can make your own DIY decorations that are perfect for both holidays, saving time and money while adding a unique personal touch? Today, I'm going to walk you through some amazing DIY decor ideas that transition seamlessly from Halloween to Thanksgiving. Whether you're looking to spook up your home or create a cozy harvest vibe, I've got the perfect projects for you. Let's dive in. How can you repurpose Halloween decor for Thanksgiving? Don't let your Halloween decorations go to waste. Here's how to repurpose them for Thanksgiving with a few easy adjustments. Painted gourds and pumpkins. After Halloween, simply repaint any spooky pumpkins or gourds in Thanksgiving colors like orange, gold, or brown. Add some decorative elements like burlap ribbons or leaves for a cozy harvest feel. Skeletons and spooky figures. Transform those Halloween skeletons by dressing them up with mini pilgrim hats or placing them among cornucopia displays. The spooky becomes festive with just a few tweaks. Candle holders and lanterns. If you used black or Gothic-style candle holders for Halloween, keep them for Thanksgiving. Just replace the dark candles with warm, autumnal colors like orange, yellow, or gold. Have a great repurposing idea? Drop a comment below and share how you plan to reuse your Halloween decorations this year. What are some budget-friendly DIY Thanksgiving decorations you can make after Halloween? If you're decorating on a budget, here are some great DIY projects using leftover Halloween items to create Thanksgiving decor. Corn husk garland. Gather corn husks and string them together with twine to create a rustic garland. For Halloween, you can weave in faux cobwebs or tiny pumpkins. For Thanksgiving, replace the spooky elements with dried oranges or fall leaves. DIY painted pine cones. Pine cones are a versatile and free decor item. Spray paint them black for Halloween and pair them with faux spiders. For Thanksgiving, repaint them in gold or bronze tones and use them as part of a centerpiece or on the mantle. Leafy table runner. Collect fallen leaves, press them, and spray paint them gold. For Halloween, place black candles or spooky props along the runner. For Thanksgiving, add pumpkins or seasonal fruits like apples and pears for a harvest look. Want more budget-friendly DIY ideas? Be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description for more inspiration. What are some simple DIY projects to combine Halloween and Thanksgiving decor? Combining both holidays doesn't have to be difficult, and you can start with these simple DIY ideas. Dual-use pumpkins. Paint mini pumpkins in neutral tones like white or black. Add spooky designs like bats or witches for Halloween, and then switch them up with thankful messages or family names for Thanksgiving by repainting or covering them with tags. DIY candle holders. Use mason jars to create Halloween-themed candle holders by adding spider webs or skeleton stickers. For Thanksgiving, swap out the spooky stickers for fall leaves or acorns and use warm-toned candles. Halloween to Thanksgiving wreath. Craft a wreath using fall foliage, pine cones, and small pumpkins. For Halloween, weave in spooky elements like plastic spiders or mini skulls and remove them after to leave a festive fall wreath for Thanksgiving. If these ideas got you excited, hit that like button and share this video with your DIY-loving friends. How can you transition your DIY decor from Halloween to Thanksgiving with minimal effort? Making your decor easy to switch from Halloween to Thanksgiving can save you time and effort. Here's how. Start with a neutral base. Use neutral-colored materials like wood, burlap, or glass as your base for DIY projects. For Halloween, add spooky elements like spiderwebs or black paint. For Thanksgiving, swap them out with pinecones, fall leaves, or pumpkins. Modular decorations. Design your DIY projects in a modular way, so elements like skeletons or bats for Halloween can be easily removed and replaced with Thanksgiving props like gourds or dried flowers. Dual-sided signs. Create signs that have one side decorated for Halloween with spooky phrases like "Enter if you dare," and the other side for Thanksgiving with messages like "Give thanks." This way, you just flip the sign when Halloween ends. Want to see more easy-to-transition DIY projects? Be sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who love decorating for the holidays. How can you personalize your DIY decor for Halloween and Thanksgiving? Adding personal touches to your DIY decor can make it extra special for both holidays. Here's how to do it. Custom pumpkin designs. Use paint or stencils to add family names or meaningful words on your pumpkins. For Halloween, use spooky fonts and colors like black or orange. For Thanksgiving, switch to elegant script in gold or bronze tones. Personalized place settings. For Halloween, create place cards with creepy designs like skulls or witches. For Thanksgiving, use the same place cards but swap the spooky designs for fall leaves or harvest symbols like cornucopias. Photo garlands. Hang a garland of family photos above your dining table. For Halloween, print the photos in black and white for a ghostly effect. For Thanksgiving, switch them to color photos of family gatherings or fall outings. Want to see more personalized DIY ideas? Check out the description for links to the products I use to create these unique projects. How can you use nature to create DIY decor that works for both Halloween and Thanksgiving? Using natural elements is not only eco-friendly, but also a great way to transition decor between the two holidays. Here's how. Stick and twig centerpieces. Gather twigs and branches from your yard. For Halloween, spray paint them black and add spooky accents like plastic bats or spiderwebs. For Thanksgiving, switch to neutral tones like white or gold and add small pumpkins or dried leaves. Natural pumpkins and gourds. Instead of carving pumpkins, leave them whole and decorate them with spooky eyes or Sharpie-drawn faces for Halloween. For Thanksgiving, simply wipe away the drawings or flip them around, then add fall foliage or candles. Pressed leaf wall art. Collect leaves in different shapes and sizes, press them, and frame them in a series of DIY wall art pieces. For Halloween, you can add some black paint or spooky phrases. For Thanksgiving, keep the natural look and add warm-colored frames or festive quotes. Are you a fan of nature-inspired decor? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves bringing the outdoors inside. And there you have it. 7 creative, budget-friendly, and easy-to-make DIY decor ideas that perfectly blend Halloween and Thanksgiving. From dual-purpose pumpkins to personalized touches, you now have everything you need to make your home festive for both holidays without breaking the bank or starting from scratch. I hope these ideas inspire you to get crafty this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects and holiday decor tips. Be sure to check out the description for links to all the products and materials I used in today's video. Happy decorating!